Okay, I've got all the holes filled on my Swiss cheese lampshade here. So now I'm going to try and put it back on the lathe and sand it down some. Also got a lot of glue to clean off this side where I had my tape, and I glued on my band-aids there to keep the resin from running out. That's all got to come off. Also, my mounting hole here is in the drying process. When it shrank, it's I now have more of an oval here than a round one for my mortise. So I'm going to take my sharp chisel and shave a little bit off of these sides here and this side here, make it round again, and I'll put it back on the lathe, and I can sand off a lot of that crap. Some of this glue, I'll have to take a scraper and scrape that off, because that'll just gum up the sandpaper and make a mess. Okay, I got that hole round again. That didn't take hardly any time. I sharpened this chisel at a real shallow angle. Boy, that cuts through that really nice. Okay, the first thing I have to do is get all this glue off of here from the hot glue gun. So I'm going to use a paint scraper. Got a nice burr on it. Should peel it right off. I'm not worried about the excess resin because that'll sand off. It's this glue that have to get off of there. Okay, I got that cleaned up pretty well. I still have a few holes that don't go all the way through. I might fill those in too, I'm not sure. We'll see. There's one right here. If I drill a hole through there, I can fill those holes from the inside. This one here needs a little in this one. This one possibly. I've had enough for now though. Time for a break.